Aloha, it's Diana Hegman with eXp Realty, and we're back at Kiahuna Plantation. We're checking out 169 today, just doing a quick update of our video. So this unit is located in the very corner of this building. It's also on the first floor. So here's our view from out front. Check out those pretty flowers. And being on the very first floor, there are no steps coming to the unit, so super convenient whenever you're carrying up, your Costco goodies and surfboards, etc. There's actually no steps. All right, here's a view from the entryway. You'll notice the tile. And to our right is the master bedroom, and they've upgraded the flooring already. So we have vinyl planks instead of carpet. Super convenient and fresh. So being a corner unit, there's that extra window in the bedroom, and you'll notice that this unit actually has an AC in the bedroom. So very few units at Kiahuna will actually have an AC unit, let alone 2 units. So very, very nice. Across the way is the bathroom. I think we have a cultured marble countertop, newer fixture. Light fixture as well. Here's our shower tub combo. Here's our kitchen. It's either a granite or a quartz countertop. Plenty of storage. Here's another window. Nice fridge, by the way, I didn't even mention. Here's our living room. Pull-out sofa. And you notice that second AC unit in here. Here's our dining area. And it's a super soggy day, so I don't want to go outside. Not that it's cold. And I think you can tell, but there's a little peek of the ocean as well. So the ocean is basically about 100 steps away maybe. And to our right about there, is the lagoon. So great location. All right, let us know if you have any questions. Aloha.